Hello everyone, I'm Akshay Boyer. Welcome to our new series Mind Your Mind. Today we are here in a talk with Dr. Akshay Choradia. He's an MD psychiatrist at our Anandvan Wellness Center. So we are going to have some talk about what's going on these days, especially about this COVID thing and what exactly is the mentality of people going on. So what is it, doctor? What do you think?
Okay, so the thing is that we are seeing a lot of mental health issues and mental health concerns, especially during this COVID era. A lot of people with anxiety, depression are coming out.
Okay.
The thing is that people are still very hesitant to go to a psychiatrist. They are fearful
Exactly.
that the major reason behind this particular thing is that people fear of being judged
Exactly.
by people. Like अगर मैं साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास जाता हूँ तो लोग मुझे क्या बोलेंगे, लोग क्या समझेंगे, क्योंकि इसके पीछे का मुख्य कारण ये है कि अभी भी लोगों को लगता है कि साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास जाना मतलब कि उस आदमी के बिहेवियर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है या उसके बर्ताव में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। तो जब भी हम किसी को आप भी अगर किसी दोस्त जो डिप्रेशन या एंग्जाइटी को सफ़र कर रहा है, उनको अगर आप बोलते हैं या समझाते हैं कि लेट अस विजिट अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट, गो टू अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट और साइकोलॉजिस्ट, so they might get offended,
Exactly.
I don't need a psychiatrist right now.
There is a mentality that prevents them to go to psychiatrist.
Yes. So they think that if there is no problem in behavior, why should I visit a psychiatrist? Okay, so this is the major reason why people are still hesitant. Now the thing is that there are other myths and misconception also, like कि दवा अगर हम चालू करते हैं तो क्या हम दवाओं पे डिपेंडेंट हो जाएंगे?
बिल्कुल.
क्या साइकियाट्रिस्ट हमें स्लीपिंग पिल्स लिखेगा? So these are also the major concern why people are still fearful. So we'll have to understand that behavior is one aspect of mind.
Yes.
But apart from that, we have other concerns also, like our thoughts and our feelings. So initially, the change will not be in the behavior first. Initially, we usually see the changes in the thoughts and feelings. Okay, so there might be when a person suffers from anxiety disorder, he might get excessive thoughts of something, like
overthinking.
Overthinking, with what we generally say.
Yes.
And you might say someone that why you are thinking a lot.
इतना क्यों सोच रहा है?
Yes. But that is not in our hands, because nobody thinks deliberately. Okay, these are automatic thoughts that comes in our mind. So like now this COVID thing is going on, people might be fearful that I might get a major illness. अगर गले में खराश भी होती है तो उनको लगने लगता है कि शायद मुझे कहीं कोविड तो नहीं हो गया.
Stigma is there.
Yes. So multiple times they instead of doing the test and taking a professional opinion, they might take काढ़ा या फिर गर्म पानी.
Home remedies.
Home remedies which they usually take. तो इसी में वो जब ये एंग्जाइटी ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाती है, लाइक एंग्जाइटी इज अ नॉर्मल फिजियोलॉजिकल रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ द बॉडी. अगर हमारे सामने कोई जंगली जानवर आ जाता है एंड वी आर नॉट एंग्शियस, इफ यू आर नॉट fearful, we will not take a step to prevent ourselves from that particular situation. So anxiety is very useful and it is essential, but when anxiety becomes overwhelming, like अभी हमारा रूटीन ही हम फॉलो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, हमको ऐसा लगता है कि नींद आने में शुरुआत नहीं होती है, नींद की शुरुआत अच्छे से नहीं हो पाती है, बेचैनी के कारण बीच बीच में नींद खुल जाती है, हमारी भूख जो है वो कम हो गई है.
Yes, there is a process that अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा?
Right. So that constant fear is there, constant preoccupation with the same thing. दिमाग से वो विचार जाता ही नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
और उसके कारण क्या होता है, हमारा अटेंशन कंसंट्रेशन, हम काम अच्छे से नहीं कर पाते.
People are losing focus on work also, on personal life also.
Right. So there is a constant fear of lack of productivity is there. So self esteem कम हो जाता है. People start feeling little low, sad. They are not enthusiastic about things in life. Okay, they might not feel interest in whatever they used to like earlier.
Yes.
Like अगर पहले कुछ हमें म्यूजिक सुनना पसंद है या कुछ टीवी पे देखना पसंद है या हमको परिवार वालों से बात करना पसंद है, they might lose interest.
Eventually everybody is losing interest in what they used to do earlier. Work.
So there's
entertainment
a constant pressure. In this time there are some financial pressures also.
Yes.
Work related pressure also. Now people are working from home, so there's another pressure to cope up with that kind of situation. And make a balance between work and professional and personal.
It is affecting your family life actually a lot.
Yes. So these are the concerns. So we'll have to understand that when you start having significant change in your thoughts and your feelings, which you were not having earlier, and if it is affecting your routine, you should see a psychiatrist as soon as possible, or maybe you should talk to a psychologist so that we can work towards the solution before it gets little worse.
A one-to-one conversation might help them a little.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you.